What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now then, I have a car behind me. It is a 2019 BMW X1 and I have it for the day. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the hidden features on the key fob. So if you have this key fob right here, it's pretty much the same as you would expect on any F chassis car. So that would be the F10, F11, F30, F31, anything like that. You're pretty much going to get the same key fob as this, and I'm going to be showing you the hidden features, or the features that BMW don't necessarily make you aware of in this video. Okay then, so the first one that we will take a look at is obviously the unlock button. So that is the button at the top, and as you can see, we have some welcome lights, and they look so good because this is a 2019 model. They are LED and they look very, very smart. So they come on when you unlock the car. They will stay on for a certain amount of time. As you can see, they've now gone off, so they've probably been programmed to stay on for 20 to 30 seconds, but then we will go ahead and lock the car. And that, as you can see, that is the entire car locked. We can no longer open it. The next button is the button at the bottom, which is for the boot, and I think we may need to unlock it first. So yeah, we've unlocked it, unlocked the car, and then we have unlocked the boot. Now on this particular model, to drop the boot, it also has a button, which is this one just here. So if we press that, it will lower the boot and then softly close it. Another feature of this key is actually a feature that BMW has implemented for a very long time now, and it is the ability to be able to open the windows or roll down the windows. And all you need to do to be able to do this is actually just unlock the car and then hold down the unlock button for a certain amount of time, and as you can see, all 4 of the windows have rolled down. And then you can also roll the windows back up with the key fob. All you need to do is hold the center BMW button, which is the lock button. So hold that down. The windows will roll up, but you'll also notice the mirrors will also fold in. Now this may need to be coded to the key, but as you can see, it is available on this car, and the mirrors have folded in. Likewise, if you go to unlock the car, the mirrors will then fold out. Now this car does not have it, but if you do have a sunroof, then with the unlock and unlock buttons, you will be able to open up the sunroof. All you need to do is hold the unlock button for slightly longer, wait for all the windows to roll down, and then the sunroof will begin to open. And obviously you just have to do the same in reverse. Okay then, so another feature for the trunk or the tailgate or the boot, whatever you want to call it, is, well, we know we can unlock the boot, we know we can raise the tailgate with this button, which we will do now. All you need to do is hold on to it, it will raise up, and we know that we can press this button right here to lower it, but we can also lower it with the key fob itself. And all we need to do is hold this button at the bottom, and for as long as we hold it, that is the amount of time that it will lower for. So we can actually stop it halfway if for whatever reason we needed to. So if I hold this down, you can see it's lowering, but then if I let go, that will stop. Obviously it's a little bit of a delayed response, but it has stopped. So we can obviously continue closing it all the way, just like that. That is now fully closed. We can open it again. There we go. And then to close it again. Now if I let go, see, it stopped. I guess this is more of a safety feature. If for whatever reason something gets trapped, or you know, that you realize that there's actually somebody in the way, or if there's a wall in the way, or whatever it may be, you can actually stop it with the use of the key fob. So as long as you hold this button down, that is the amount of time that the tailgate will continue lowering. So let's shut this up. Okay, now during the editing of this video, I realized that I missed out probably one of the biggest hidden features on these key fobs. Now, with it being a key fob as opposed to a more conventional car key, they rely heavily on the battery being charged for them to work. But if for whatever reason your key fob battery dies, then you can actually still gain entry to your car by popping out the Keyblade with the touch of a small button. This Keyblade can also be used to lock or unlock your glove box too. Okay then, so that is some of the hidden features on this BMW Key Fob. I know it's been quite a short little video, but I thought while I had the car for the day, it would be a good opportunity to film this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, consider subscribing as well, because I have so much like BMW content to come, and I guess I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace!